Hi folks, this is Jim again with another restaurant review for great restaurants. Today we're looking at a Moroccan restaurant called Morocco's that's located in Mountain View, California, right in the heart of Silicon Valley, downtown Mountain View, and I'll tell you, it's pretty darn impressive. The Moroccan food is just incredible. The restaurant is owned and operated by Moroccan expats, and so they really know how to make that Moroccan food and decorate the place accordingly. And every night of the week they have a theme night too, so they have different types of entertainment 7 days a week. This ranges from belly dancing to live jazz and even magic shows. They have happy hour even every day from 5 to 7 p.m. So you'll see why people keep coming back time and again, and why they got these great reviews on Yelp that I'm going to share with you now. So remember, Morocco's is located in the heart of downtown Mountain View. Their food and entertainment is the best Moroccan that you'll find anywhere in the San Francisco Bay Area. So you can call 650-968-1502 for reservations, and don't be surprised if you see me at Morocco's.